Hi guys, we're taking a look at one of my absolute favorite concealers today. So it is the Fit Me Maybelline Under Eye Concealer, or I specifically like to use it under eye because it's very kind of lightweight. It's going to give you a little bit of coverage, which obviously you want for any kind of dark circles or bags. I've got a little bit of pinkish, that's just like my natural undertone. And I'm using the shade Sand, so I'm just applying it all over. I'm a little bit lighter than usual. I normally have a little bit more color, so you can see it's usually I would want to go about 1 to 2 shades brighter to give more of a brightening effect, but I still love how this looks with the rest of my makeup on. So I've got everything all together there. The under eye concealer has been placed, and this stuff is just great. They've got a huge shade selection. And it's just not too heavy, so it doesn't end up creasing or caking on your skin. This has been a favorite for multiple years. Plus, you cannot argue with that price tag. Definitely check it out, guys. Love it.